Hi friends, Allie from Allie's Crafts here to unbox the new kit from Illustrated Faith. This is the first kit where it's back at illustratedfaith.com and not through Dayspring. And I was super excited to see this. It feels like artistically themed, and you guys know that I love things like that. I love the colors, I love the sentiment, and so as soon as I saw it was available, I hopped on and bought it. So I love that Shauna includes this little card with the colors up at the top, and then a sneak to next month. And then the kit is called Mark Maker, which I think is just so cool. And like, I love the artistic elements. I love, you can see the kind of the offset type. I love that trend right now. And then it's just packaged really cute. So let's get into unwrapping it. And I have not seen this yet, except for the pictures online. So I'm doing this with you. So I love that the yarn like perfectly matches everything. We're gonna use that. Washi tape. Oh, that's so cute. Awesome. The ephemera. I'll unwrap that in just a minute. Sticker. I love this girl. So cool. Ooh, more stickers. Love it. The stamp. Love all of the paintbrushes and the little bits. The Mark Maker. I am going to use this a lot more than just for this kit. I have a really big feeling. And then the part that I'm most excited about, then these stickers. Oh, this is kind of cool. It actually has a fold down the middle, perforated fold, so you can fold it and it fits perfectly with the devotional, which again, this is the part I'm most excited about. The devotionals are traveler's notebook sized again, and then the colors inside of the book, oh my goodness, not just black and white, look how beautiful that is. And to be honest, I'm probably still going to buy the devotional content that's available digitally as well, just because this is just beautiful and I feel like I will be using it a ton. So love this. The feel of the cover is just, it feels like so, I can't even describe, like if you, butter and velvet had a baby. That's kind of how it feels like. It just feels awesome, and I love this motif of the older paintbrushes that have gone throughout like the theme. Just beautiful. I love it. So I'm super excited to get started creating with these. And then I've also got in the shop, in my shop, some coordinating prayer request cards. So these are the pocket prayers, and they do match the colors really well for this kit. So I'm super excited to kind of just insert these into how I'm working through this kit. I haven't quite decided how I'm containing it yet, but I will get back to you on that for another video and show you kind of how I'm working through this. So I'm really excited to get started with this, and I can't wait to see what everyone else does too. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.